Hi, good morning, everyone. Today we are going to discuss construction QA/QC, NCRs, and SORs. The contents of our presentation are site observation versus non-conformance, site observations with examples, non-conformances with examples, who does what and how summary table, construction NCR workflow chart, forms, analyzing the root cause of a non-conformance. So here we go. Difference between site observation versus non-conformance. Aspect, purpose, site observation to record observations, minor issues or recommendations noticed during site inspections. Purpose of a non-conformance is to report serious deviation from approved drawings, specifications or standards. Severity for SOR is minor or potential issues, while for NCRs there are major quality problems or violations. Action required for SOR is usually corrective action, recommended but not always mandatory, while for NCR mandatory corrective action and formal closure required. Impact of SOR generally does not stop work. Impact of NCR may stop the work until the issue is corrected. Site observations are issued by usually consultant, engineer or site inspector, while for NCR issued by QA/QC engineer, consultant or client. Documentation level for SOR informal or semi-formal, while for NCR it's formally quality document in QA/QC system. Examples, again the examples will be shared and discussed in the next slide, but here just a simple example of site observation is poor housekeeping, improper storage of materials. Why NCR is using wrong concrete grades, welding not as per WBS. So here are some examples of site observations. These are minor issues, observations or recommendations that should be corrected but are not major violations. Example 1, poor housekeeping, debris and unusual material or unused material scattered near the work areas. Inspector issues SOR asking contractor to improve housekeeping. Example number 2, improper material storage. Example number 3, missing safety signage. Example number 4, reinforcement slightly misaligned. Please note that SOR shall be closed within 7 days, otherwise converted to NCR. Here are some examples of non-conformances. These are serious issues where work does not comply with specifications, drawings or standards. Example number 1, wrong concrete grade. Example number 2, reinforcement not as per drawing. Example number 3, welding not as per procedure. Example number 4, waterproofing failure. Again, for NCRs, these shall be closed within 14 days, otherwise escalate the issue officially to resident engineers and to the client. Who does what and how summary table. So how and who issued the NCR. The originator does what he detects a case of non-compliance with project contractual or statutory requirements by checking work in progress, completed works against contractual and statutory requirements. Then the originator will issue a non-conformance to the receiver by using a proof form for a particular project. Receiver will receive the NCR and propose a proper remedial action by using NCR closure sheet. Originator will review the proposed corrective action submitted by the receiver or either accept or reject the same prior to implementation by filling in the same NCR closure sheet. Receiver, the core subject will review the core subject of NCR to propose another remedial action by using a new NCR closure sheet. Receiver implement approved proposed corrective action in line with contractual and statutory requirements. Receiver submit the implemented remedial action for the originator for review and approval by filling in the space designed for the purpose in the NCR closure sheet. Originator check implemented remedial action and approve the same using the specified space in the NCR closure sheet. Originator close out NCR. Upon giving approval to implement remedial action, originator will close the NCR using NCR form. Originator and receiver both will update NCR log sheet according and notify other project parties. NCR log shall be updated by both parties. Originator will notify other project parties. This is how the workflow, where it starts and where it goes. The blue color code showing here is the originator of the NCR, while the brown is the receiver of NCR. Here is the NCR form, issuance form, and this is how we analyze the root cause of a non-conformance. Well, there are 5 whys technique. This technique is a simple method used to find the root cause of a problem by repeatedly asking why. It was originally developed in the Toyota production system and is widely used in quality management and problem solving. How the 5 whys technique works. Number 1, state the problem clearly. Number 2, ask why did this happen. Number 3, write the answer. Number 4, ask why again based on the previous answer. Repeat until reach the root cause, often about 5 times. Here are the examples of 5 why. Problem, what is the problem? Question, the answer is concrete segregation observed during pouring. Evidence, site inspection report. First why did the segregation occur? The answer is coarse aggregate separated from cement paste. Visual inspection. Why did segregate separate? The answer is concrete mix had excessive workability. Slump test higher than required. Why 3? Why was the workability too high? Extra water was added at site. Why was extra water added? Workers wanted easier placement. Why was there no supervision control? No clear procedure controlling water addition on site. What is the root cause? Lack of control and supervision over water addition. Here is an example of NCR. Well, the same slide repeated 5 whys technique. Thank you so much, everyone. I hope you have clearly understood. And please, if you want to download the presentation, please click on the below link given in the comment section. Thank you so much.